Hello there, my name is Kwame Prince from KA. A few years ago, I recorded a video on how to make money online as a student. The video should appear somewhere on the link above. You can click on it to watch this video later after this one. After the video, I got a lot of calls and comments and texts from people asking me how they're going to go about this. I made several examples including affiliate marketing. Now in this video, I want to show you how you can go about doing affiliate marketing successfully. I'm sure you've heard a lot about affiliate marketing. A lot of people are giving you several examples. This video is going to give you the detailed ways on how you're going to go about affiliate marketing and have it successfully. You're going to use channels like LinkedIn, Quora, and social media. If you don't have a website, you don't have to worry about anything. Today's video is going to focus on using social channels to drive traffic, to get people to click on your link to buy stuff from the source website, so that you can make some cash into your account. Affiliate marketing basically means that you are a marketer for a company which operates online. Like we have Amazon and AliExpress. These two companies operate online. Now let me bring it back to Ghana. In Ghana you have Jumia, you have Superprice. As an affiliate marketer, these companies will give you a link that will lead to your website to buy stuff. If anybody clicks on the link that they give you to buy anything on the website, you have a commission that they pay you into your account. That's how it works. But in Ghana, we don't have all these companies having affiliate marketing programs. So we're going to focus on the companies that do affiliate marketing programs outside the country. Some examples are AliExpress, Amazon, Rakuten, ClickBank, and so many of them. So for me, if you ask me, I always tell people that if you want to sign up to an affiliate marketing program, you have to sign up to as many programs as you can, because commission percentage vary from program to program. Some programs offer low percentage, others offer higher percentage. So make sure you join a lot of programs so that you can have a lot of options to choose from. Now, like I said, if you don't have a website, you don't have to worry. But basically, affiliate marketing works if you have a website or a social media account. But if you don't have a website, you don't have to worry about anything, because it's still possible. If you have a social media account, you can still have a link that works on social media. People can click on the link to buy stuff. I'm sure you have social media accounts, you have a lot of people commenting on your posts, people like your posts and all that. And a lot of these people might be interested in some of the products that you can put on your channel or on your platform for them to buy. So don't just be posting your pictures and be getting the comments and the likes. Sometimes you can make money out of these things if you try it. Now on social media, some of the ways that you can drive traffic is using Facebook groups or social media groups. You can use LinkedIn, you can use Quora, you can do email marketing. I'm going to show you how you can leverage all these platforms or all these channels to make some money through affiliate marketing. The next video is going to be centered on using blogs, but this video is solely centered on using social channels. So subscribe to this channel and let's get into it.
Alright guys, so you just have to go to Google and type AliExpress. Okay. Yes, well, it's already here. So the first result says earn high commission from top AliExpress online affiliate. Click on it. Right, this is where you are, one step away from your fortune. Anyway, so you have two accounts. You have the individual and you have the company account. So you're an individual, so just create an individual account. Well, I have my names and my details here already. Kwame Enim. And the media type should be network, country Ghana, wherever you are, you can create this if your country is listed. Next, select social, and you put your name. Yeah, URL. Because you selected social, means that's supposed to be your social media account. And your social media accounts, it's, let's just go to Facebook, you go to your profile, right? You go to your profile, the link here is your profile link. Copy this link, come back to URL, paste it here. Right, this. So you can select any country that you want, and where you're targeting, especially doesn't matter. Social media, so you know what your target is, what you're talking about. Create category. I feel like my blog or my website can actually sell this stuff more than any other stuff. Description. Well, I think this is perfect for social media accounts. I am an influencer with quite a good number of followers. Oh, good, perfect. Let's click next. Phone number. Your phone number here. That's mine. My WhatsApp. Put your number here, and put your email here, and this another. Right, that's it. And send. you're going to send the verification code to this email address. So it's very important that you provide a valid email address here. I have my email address here. I just click send. The code is 212975. 212975. Next. Bingo. AliExpress affiliate program service agreement. Confirm that I've already understood. Give me the algorithm. Now you can confirm. Okay. So this is what you see as a confirmation message that comes. AliExpress sometimes take about 24 hours, or sometimes 48 hours. Unlike Amazon or other ones, that take barely 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes to confirm. Sorry guys, at this point I thought I have to disable my camera. Anyway, so this is the portal. This is AliExpress portal. After your confirmation, this is where you come. So you go to App Center. This is where you have all the products. Right, so here at App Center, you have various products, but you can also select from perhaps, for instance, you have these products. This one has the price is $27.80 US dollars, and you have it 8.0% commission, and the commission value is 2.22 US dollars. Just in case you want to promote these products, you just have to click here, promote it now. Then you can have pictures of the product here. Let's say you want to promote this picture on Facebook. You click on this one, and there's download here. You hit download. Right, picture is downloaded, and this is the link. This is a unique link for you and for you only. When you add this link to the image, we'll click on it. You can just buy. So let's go to Facebook and try how this works. Here's my Facebook account. Let's say I want to post something, and select image. Picture is saved in download, so I can just select it here, and this is it. Okay, that's it. And then write a caption like, "Hello guys, I think this product is pretty cool. Check it out on the link below." And then I paste the link here. I really want to post this thing on my page right now, so this is just a demo. It's just the way you post any picture on your page with all the captions that you put on your picture. It's just the same thing. So you hit post, this one will be posted. If your people really like it, or click on it to go check it out. If you don't like it, just skip. So when they click on the link, let me just show you what this link looks like on the new tab. So when they click on the link, it brings them to the AliExpress website. This is where they can buy, or this is where they can take the action. So that's how it works basically. That's for Facebook. Now, there are some other things that you can do. So let's say that you want to promote beauty and health, and you want a product like this ZC Egypt 10 colors lipstick, long lasting, waterproof. And so you just click on promote now. You have the picture of this product. You download the picture and you copy the link here. You go to Facebook so that you can have wider reach. Maybe your friends are just 100 people, but you want to have a lot of people to reach. What you can do is that you can just go to Facebook and search for beauty. So you have beauty hacks here. You're not looking for beauty hacks, actually you're looking for groups to join where you can post your stuff. So connect with groups. You see fashion and beauty hacks, 46 members. This is a small number. Natural beauty tips, you don't want to join it because this is not natural. Well, I don't know whether it's natural or not, but you may want to join. So you can just click join group here. Beauty hacks, you can just 582 members. You don't like it, it's too small. See more groups. So look for groups with higher members, higher number of members. This one is like best mainly design beauty hacks. This is 6.9k members. You can join this group here. Natural beauty tips, you can join this group here. Now when the group confirms you, you can always post your stuff in the group. So anytime you post into a group like this, you have 6.9k members. It means that your items are being seen by 6.9k people. If they are interested, they'll click on it to buy. That's a commission for you. That's how it works for Facebook feed and Facebook groups. LinkedIn. If you want to do this on Twitter, it's up to you. You can also do this on Twitter. I mean, it works for any social media page that accepts links. Instagram does not accept link in the feed, so it's quite hard to be an affiliate on Instagram. So on LinkedIn, so what you can do is that you just have to find people. You go to, if you don't have a LinkedIn account, you have to create a LinkedIn account. It's free. It's just like any social media page. You go to my network, and here are the people that you can connect with here. If you don't have enough connection, you just have to go to my network and connect with all like a number of people here, people you feel maybe interested in the things that you sell. You can just connect, click connect, 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 connect. If they accept your connect request, automatically they become part of your connections. So what happens next? You go to the list of your connections here, and this is a woman, Miriam Brown. What you can do is click on Miriam Brown. Because Miriam Brown has accepted my connect request, I can have access to Miriam Brown's contact details. So I go to contact information. This is Miriam's email address. I will collect this email address and save somewhere. I'll go to somebody else. I can just go to Sandra as well. The reason why you're copying all these email addresses is because you're going to make an email list and put all these people in one email and just send the makeup to them in an email. These are women. These are your target audience. If they like it, you'll click to buy it. If they don't like it, you still come back and hunt for more people that you feel could be your potential targets. Or better still, you can still post just like you posted on Facebook in your feed on LinkedIn. Here, just put the image here, put the caption there, just like we did on Facebook. Image here, you have your caption up here. Write your caption, whatever, and then you hit post. That's it. The people who you are connected with will see the post, and if they're interested, they'll click to buy. That's how it works. Now let's go to Quora. Quora, it's a forum website. Like people have questions, they come and ask questions here, and if you have any answer to their questions, you help them answer. So here, because we are dealing with makeup, let's see, so good makeup. What are some good makeup products suitable for Asian girls? We can click on this one here. So she's asking a question. What are some good makeup products suitable for Asian girls? Now you can just click on this one, answer, and write something. I chose this awesome makeup, which apparently, what am I writing? Apparently, mysteriously, what? Oh, Jesus Christ, mysteriously works for almost every race. Here's the link.
then you can paste the link here and post it. Hit post. So anybody that comes to Quora, or anybody who has interest in getting to know a good makeup product suite of operation, they'll see this link, will click on it. If they feel it's something they really want, they will buy, and you earn your commission. So this is more like digital marketing 101. It's a job. If you really want to do this, it's a job. So you have to be on Quora most of the time, is be looking for such questions that pertains to the products that you are into. So that you can have those questions answered with your product. So like I said, we have tons and tons of products in AliExpress, and mostly the interface is the same for all other affiliate marketing programs. So like all these things we have here, when you go to Amazon Associates, you will see most of these things here. When you apply for Rakuten, you see most of these things here. So that's how it works. So one may ask, how do I get paid? So you go to your payment center. Once you have created your account, go to payment information, and I've already added my details. Account holder name, my name here, account number here. Sorry, I can't leave it safe unless you want to deposit something for me. This is my name on my account. The Swift code, I don't know what this action is for, but it's there. I didn't put anything there, you just did it for me. Just in case you want to add these details. So these are the details that you have to put in for your bank account details. You just click on add a new bank account, and here you are. You have all these things here to fill, and you get exactly what I got for my payment information. So I think basically that's it for affiliate marketing. And if you have any questions on affiliate marketing that you would want me to answer in the future, just leave those questions in the comment section, and I'll read them one after the other and address all those questions. So thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.